What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this 2014 Honda Accord, and we're gonna change the side mirrors, but I'm gonna show you how to open the, well, this car is locked, so we're gonna have to get in there, the inside panel. So this video is gonna be mostly about how to remove the panel on the door. Driver's side and passenger side, it's the same thing. That side has a bigger switch than this side, but I'm gonna show you the mirrors we have. So the part 2 is gonna be about the mirrors, and you can check those out. These mirrors we got, they fold themselves, and it has a turn signal light over here. So we're gonna do a little bit of wiring on this car as well. So we'll be taking off this door panel right here. So if you have a Honda Accord, you need to take out the panel, you'll know exactly how to do so. Okay, so let's begin by removing this panel over here. To remove the panel first, we're gonna take that off. So just follow our steps. So you need a small pick. This little cover comes out. Inside you're gonna have those 2 screws. Pull on the handle if you want. Best would be if you take the window down, but our battery is dead, so we're gonna charge up the battery. And what we're gonna do next is okay, so get a flathead screwdriver, just lift this guy up softly. This is another piece if you want to change carbon fiber. You can find it online, custom made. Disconnect the connector right there. You got a 1 screw looking at you right there. Just yank on it really hard. This little tweeter here comes out. So we gotta, this is also custom. So after that, you just lift it up, and you got a whole bunch of stuff over here. If you want to remove these, you can remove these right here. So we're gonna put the speaker to the side. Okay, so next, what we'll do is we're gonna remove the whole handle, and all it has is a little retainer. Right?
Yep.
Hold on to it. Put it away. My arm hurt, my arm hurt. Alright, so just these 2 little retainers right here, you're gonna pop them out. And there's another one there. So from here, if you want to change the mirror, the connectors right here, 1, 2, 3 screws, and that's it. Thank you for watching. And process the same on the opposite side.